What's up, Kill Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and the kind people over at Poetic, they were kind enough to send me out the Poetic Spartan OnePlus open case with stylus holder. I know I'm late to the party, but it is what it is. Here is the case right here, as you can see. Get your back cover and you get your front cover. Has a built-in plastic screen protector, so pretty much we will just peel this off like so. You can wipe it off if you need to. Make sure there's no hair. Hold on. This is what the front is going to look like. I need to wipe it down some more, but that's what the front will look like. Then you bring over the back, and this does give you great protection, but the problem with me is that it is way too bulky for me. So I don't know if this is a case that I can just rock on the daily. It's this big old hinge protector here, but it's also a hinge protection because you can also, it's a stylus that can go with this phone, and they made access to where you could stick the stylus in that hole there. And you also get, on some of the other cases, you get a kickstand, but this is not, it's not a kickstand. It just looks like it's one, but no, that's hard plastic. But like I said, I don't know that I can really just rock this because of the so much weight it has, and I don't know how well this will look in my pockets. Maybe I could rock it if it did not have this kickstand here. I don't know if you can take this apart, but this kickstand is something that I really do not like about this case. But overall, you do get a nice protection, as you can see. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will have no problems. And then you also get access to camera cutouts, and they're deep inside of there. So if you place your phone flat down on the table on the cameras, you have nothing to worry about. You get all your cutouts that you're supposed to have. No problem for your power on and off button. No problem. Fingerprint scanner works just fine. Volume up and down button. Nice and clicky. Alert slider is right there. Open it up. You do get a nice lip around the edges of your screen there. This is a bummer that it does not have a kickstand, but you can lean this on the table if you want to and use it in this view if that's something that you are interested in. On the back here, you do get this nice little black grips on the inside, and it does say Poetic. And I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you could go pick this case up for yourself. Just do know this is not, I'm not a big fan of this case because of this part. Now maybe, like I said, if it was made without this part, then I could really rock it. But overall, it does look nice. Maybe you're a sturdy kind of person. You work at a concrete site, and something like this does not bother you. So if this is something that you are looking forward to getting, I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. And I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.